Ordered this from Troy's Toys. Kind of hard to find item, so just gonna do a quick unboxing, and there it is. $2018. Add this to the Delta collection. Since I work at Delta Sky Club, I have to get on the Delta bus every single day. So I thought it was fitting I get a Delta bus to go with everything. Delta fuel truck. Now, in fairness, most of these are actually through separate companies, but nonetheless, they're still cool. This is usually an LSG Sky Chefs. As you see, this comes with stickers. I guess I put the Gate Gourmet on that one. I could change that to LSG, but stair truck. I'm pretty sure. Yep. Stairs can extend. Pretty cool. A little bus. And look at that. Look how cute it is. Just a little Delta bus. The catering truck. Little headlights. And it raises. Oh, and it does that. That's kind of cool. Just like the other one, it's not, you know, the best quality in the world, but that's okay. This is kind of one of those bucket list items that I've been wanting to get. And the big Delta bus, the one that I ride. All the seats in there. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. I like it. I have this one. I bought this one 10 plus years ago. Well, not 10, about 8. This one I also bought 8 years ago. So yeah, I got the tugs here. This is, I think, just like a luggage thing. I think it's upside down in there as well. The you know the tow bar platform truck. That's a tug. I think it hooks up to these little things here, and then that's, you know, one of the ramp trucks you can put up to the airplane. So it's a little dusty, but yeah. So let's take a look. Delta bus. Boop. Delta bus. Delta catering truck. Delta minibus. Delta stair truck. And the tanker truck. Let's go put them in the collection. Tomorrow's arrival. There we are. Little Delta vehicles. It would show better in the sunlight, but that's okay. Join me in the next one where we unbox the Delta 747. Very special model. Oh yeah. I also am going to be adding a 777-200 with the Pratt & Whitney engines, another rare model that's going to be coming up eventually. And I don't know what else at this point, but there's my United collection, and believe me, it does not look like that in real life. It looks much better. But there we go. Hope you enjoyed. Join me in the next one for a very special and expensive unboxing. Peace.